What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today's ukulele tutorial is going to be you guessed it, why I'm wearing the Santa sweater. It's a Christmas tutorial, and we're going to be learning how to play Feliz Navidad on the ukulele. So let's grab our uke, make sure it's in tune, and let's get to learning. But before we dive into this ukulele tutorial, I just want to remind you that you can always click that red subscribe button below if you haven't already. It will turn gray and that will mean that you're subscribed to this channel. Also, leave a nice comment below letting me know what other Christmas or holiday songs you would want me to do on this channel. And as always, I'll put the lyrics and chords in the description below so you can copy and paste them and put them on your laptop so you have them there for you as well. So without further ado, let's get into this ukulele tutorial. So Feliz Navidad on the ukulele is super easy. It has only 4 easy chords, and those are C, D, E minor, and last but not least, G. So if you already know how to play those 4 chords and you want to move on to the chord progression or the strumming or the mini play along, I'll put a timestamp right here so you can fast forward to whatever part of the video you want to go to. Also, I want to remind you that we do have a full play along that I will put right up here. It'll say click here for play along. Click that and you can go to the full play along of the song if you already know the chords and you learn the progression and all that fun stuff. But if you don't know how to play those 4 chords and you're like, oh my god, Ricky, slow down, don't worry, that's why we're here. This is why this video exists, so we can learn and we can teach you how to play these 4 chords. So without further ado, let's go ahead and learn the 4 chords for Feliz Navidad. Did I say for Feliz Navidad? Alright, so let's learn these chords. So first thing I want to mention is when I name the string. So when you hold your ukulele up, the top string is known as the 4th string, and then the next one down is the 3rd string. The next one down is the 2nd, and the last one at the bottom is the 1st string. So you'll hear me say 1st string and then like 2nd fret. So the frets are these lines that go down right here. So this is the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and so on. So I just want to get that out of the way just so if you're not familiar with the naming or how the lingo of the ukulele language is, that's how we sort of tell you where the finger placements are. Fun stuff, I know. So the first chord that we're going to learn is the C chord, and how I like to play it is I like to take my ring finger, which is this one right here next to the pinky, and I'm going to put it on the 1st string, 3rd fret. And again, remember the 1st string is the bottom string. So 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So the next chord that we're going to learn is the D chord, and this one is also pretty straightforward. You're going to take your pointer finger, which is this one next to the thumb, the pointer finger, and you're going to put it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. You're going to take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to put it right behind and put it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to be learning is the E minor chord, and this one is also pretty easy. So we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to put it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. We're going to take our middle finger and we're going to put it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then we're going to take our ring finger and we're going to put it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. And last but not least, we're going to learn the G chord, and this one is also pretty simple. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then we're going to be taking our middle finger and we're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then we're going to be taking our ring finger and we're going to be putting it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are the 4 chords that we're going to be using for this song, so make sure to familiarize yourself with the finger positions for each chord, and let's move on to strumming. Alright, so we made it to the strumming portion of this video. So I'm going to teach you how to play this song in two different ways. One of them is a sort of a basic, easier strumming pattern, and the second one is using a chuck. So if you wanted to learn how to chuck, then stick around. So the first strumming pattern that I want to talk about is the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. So if you couldn't tell by the title, it's pretty much down, down, up, down, up. So again, I'll put it right here so you can have it in front of you. So let's lay down the C chord, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So that is it pretty much. That's literally the entire song. So if you want to speed it up a little bit, you can go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So I'm going to do a little bit of a mini play along for this strumming pattern so you can hear what it should sound like. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. So now that we've learned the first way you can strum this song, the second way is pretty much the same thing, which is the down, down, up, down, up, but it's a little bit different. So I'm going to put it the down, down, up, down, up right here, and then I'm going to put the down, down, up, down, up, but I'm going to include the chuck, and the chucks are going to be represented with an X. So we lay down our C, and it would be down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So now let's learn how you do the actual chucking for this. So how I like to do it is I like to use sort of this meaty portion of my hand, and when you strum, so I'm putting the C chord down. So I'm going to strum with my pointer finger, right? I'm strumming down. So that's how you just do a regular strum, is just strumming down, right? So let's just do this. So as soon as my finger is strumming down, I mute with the palm of my hand. So finger leads, and then the palm follows. So it's going to be like this. So it takes a little bit of practice. So you kind of just want to make sure you mute the chords as soon as your fingers touch, right? But you want to play all the strings. So you're just muting it with the meaty portion of your hand, of the side of your hand. And so you strum down, right? It takes a little bit of practice, but as soon as you practice and you get it down, it's going to become second nature. So again, you strum with your finger and then you follow with the palm. So strum, palm, right? Strum, palm, but then quicker. Again, it just takes a lot of practice, right? So that is how we chuck. So if we're going to include it in the strumming pattern, I'm going to put the C chord down, and it's just going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up, right? So let's do this sequence a few times. So let's put our C chord down, and in 3, 2, 1, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So if you want to pause this video and just keep on, getting that chuck down, feel free. But right now, let's do the mini play along with the strumming and the chuck so you know what it should sound like. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Alright, Alright, so now you know how to play Feliz Navidad on the ukulele. Congratulations. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, click the red subscribe button. If you've watched this far, what are you doing? Just click it. I know you like me now. We've been together for a few minutes, so I guess that means you can stand my voice or the way I look or whatever. So click the red subscribe button below. I would really appreciate it. Also, leave some love in the comments below, and don't forget to watch the play along, the full play along of the song. Again, I have it in the annotation, or I'll also link it in the description below. Make sure to watch that and leave some love on that video as well. I really do love making these videos, so if you have any requests, leave them in the comments below. Show some love, and even if you hate the video, let me know, I guess, but be nice. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to be making a lot of more Christmas tutorials, holiday tutorials as well. So if you have one specifically that you want to learn before Christmas or the holidays, let me know in the comments below, and I would gladly learn it and do my best at teaching you. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.